This is one of the many ghost hunting cameras that I sell on my website. So this is a full spectrum camera and it's got a modified infrared flash that you'll see there. So you can take still images in the dark without the need for an illuminator. So I've actually got an illuminator set up in the background, so when I kill the lights, just dim those. You'll actually see, if I get the display back on, you'll see the LiDAR sensor from the camera just casting those lights. Looks a little bit like a Kinect cam. So that's just a depth sensor cam. So if I trigger the camera now, you'll see the focus assist light. And when I take the image, you'll see it, that it's nicely lit up. So great for taking still images in complete darkness. More discreet than blinding people with a standard flash. So if I do that, if I take an image, you'll see that the amount of light is much more discreet, and the resulting images are obviously very, very clear. So if you'd like to find out more about these cameras, just take a look on my website. Put my little light back on, which you can find at infraready.co.uk. Bye for now.